cooking show. Today we have these ribs. We're gonna be making pork ribs. So these are all the ribs I'm gonna be making. It's so big. So I'm gonna be making these ribs. So watch out and see how I am gonna start with this rib. First, I just have to slice and follow the line and slice everything out. This ribs is gonna be so succulent and so cooked that you will love it. So right away, I will just be bringing it out one after the other. So this is the ribs. You see, just gonna follow up with the line. I clean it up already and I peel off all the fat. So this is it. So right now we need to start with the ingredients we're going to use for the marinating. These are ginger already chopped, and these are turmeric and paprika. This is salt, a little bit of salt. This is garlic, 4 cloves of garlic, and this is sugar, 2 teaspoons of sugar. And right now I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce, just to darken the color. And now I'm going to be adding just a little bit of water. Then I'll whisk everything together. Whisking it together. As you can see, these are all the marinade ingredients I'll be using for these ribs. Right away, I'm just going to be marinating all the. So these are all the ribs. Right now, I'm just gonna marinate them. Then I'm gonna be adding more. There's a whole lot of bash. See? So right now, I'm just gonna marinate everything together. Use your hands to marinate it, so they have to soak into this marination so that the work tastes good. So after we put them in the oven later today, after it will cook for like 40 minutes, we're gonna be baking it for just 1 hour in 400 degrees for 1 hour. Then 40 minutes of it, we will bring it out and we add the barbecue sauce. Then we put it back to the oven for the finishing. So you see, it's marinated. You can see now, this is it. You see, these are all marinated. So we're just gonna let it rest for at least 10 minutes, no more than that. 10 minutes to marinate. So right now I have to start placing all the These are all the ribs to cook. These are all the marinated ribs. I have to put it on a parchment tray before I put them in the oven. Why I am using this parchment is because I don't want it to stick, and it will be easy for me to wash the tray. That is the reason. So this is all very well marinated for at least 10 minutes. These are all the flesh. So you see, this is it. Right now I have to take them to the oven and let it cook for 40 minutes. Bring it out again. That is when I will add barbecue sauce before I will place it back for another 20 minutes in 400 degrees. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. So these are the ribs. It's already cooked for 40 minutes. So right now I'm just going to rub barbecue sauce on it and place it back to the oven for 20 minutes more. So right now I'm just going to rub, take it out from there. So right now this is the barbecue sauce. I'm just going to be adding it to it. So we're going to rub everything together again. Good amount of it. So you can see. Oh my God. So I finished rubbing it. Right now I'm just going to take them out. And so these are all the ribs. Putting them back to the parchment paper to put it in the oven for another 20 minutes. These are all the ribs. So I'm gonna put all the barbecue sauce. Just gonna be very succulent, falling off from the bone. You're gonna enjoy it. So thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. So these are the ribs. It's very well cooked now. It's time to serve these ribs. So these are the ribs. It's very well done. You can see how succulent, beautiful it is. So it's called pork ribs. So I made it here with you guys. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel and also share this video. Give me thumbs up on any video of your choice that you watch on my channel. Thank you now. Bye, and see you for another great video. Bye for now.